Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Neora Accomplish Planner. I'm super excited. So this is how it came packaged. Let's open it. Wow, this is a very pretty looking box. The first thing that I noticed clearly here is a thank you note. Then is this pretty pen loop. Then is this card which says their story. So when I ordered the planner and I wanted a coupon code for you guys, I reached out to the good team of Neora. The way they made me feel, the way their approach was, it made me fall in love with the brand. It is a women's run brand, and I've spoken to multiple people in their team, and that was they were the only first company that actually took time off to speak to me for me to understand their products in detail and everything. I'm so impressed with the smaller details that they mentioned to me while on the call. And here I was not even offering to promote them, but they were genuinely sweet, and I absolutely loved that. This is in my walkthrough. You guys know that I was obsessed with these metallic stickers, and they do all the justice. I think the pictures were not even that cool. I can't explain how pretty they are. Team Neora, if you're looking at this video, if you start manufacturing these stickers standalone, I'm going to be your first customer. This is so pretty. So in the excitement, I completely forgot to explain these stickers. They are functional stickers. So here you have a day of celebrate, meeting, appointment, reminder, deadline, email, call, to do, reschedule, urgent, important. So mostly functional, rather all of them are functional. And here you have stickers for a present, a birthday cake, a prize, an alarm clock, a doctor's appointment, an idea, a train, aeroplane, money, coffee, all of that. So this is brilliant. I love them. And then you have this entire sheet of metallic sticker, which are blank, so can be used for multiple purposes. You can actually write over them. Then you have the user guide. Now here they have actually shown you how you can use this particular planner, which is really interesting. This is really nice because I remember saying in either the one of the videos where they have actually filled in the planner and shown it on their website. That is also really great. This is just one step ahead on how passionate they are, so that people who buy their planner actually follow through and use their planner effectively. So this I'm really impressed with. And always in my earlier videos also I've mentioned that whenever brands do such small things, they're really special, at least to me. Let's get into the Accomplished dated planner. This is an A5 planner, European vegan leather, metallic planning stickers, double ribbon, pen loop, and back pouch. Oh wow, the teal color is much more beautiful than I'd expected. This is so pretty. Just look at this beauty. When you touch it, you'll know how pretty this is. Oh my god, even the elastic has a completely different feel. By the way, my Alicia Souza planner has also arrived, so I'm very excited to unbox that too. But this came in first, so I thought of showing you guys this first. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, I've not even opened it. I should contain my excitement there and open the planner. We have is your name, address, important contacts, and important dates. I love this grid thing. I actually call this planner especially for this grid squared pages, and it does not disappoint at all. One thing that I noticed and why I loved this planner so much, because of its rounded edges, that is really well crafted, and to hold something which is handcrafted is a joy of its own. They also mentioned of the silk binding, which I can see the difference, why they had put it up as a USP. Let's see. There's a vision board. Then you have January 2022. These are the calendars. Oh wow, all the calendar spreads are together. This is brilliant. So for me, this is very interesting because all my work meetings are mostly recurring meetings, and I have to, say for example, catch up with a few people bi-weekly, bi-monthly, or sometimes even monthly, and I can put all of those recurring meeting at a glance here. And if somebody asks me on a random day whether I have some time on this particular date, this calendar, I just don't have to go to every month. Here I have all the 12 months together. So I'm very happy with this calendar setup. This will be great for people who have recurring meetings like I do. I think this will be great for people who also want to have their exam schedule, everything in one place, and they don't want to flip through. Again, as I mentioned in my walkthrough video, that this will be great for either office going people or even studying people who are doing professional courses like an MBA or a PhD. This will be a great planner, and I stick by that. Oh wow, this is so pretty. So on every month there is a goals page, there is things to do, there is a health tracker, the last month calendar, the next month calendar, and the entire grid space. I like that they have put in the weekends in a different color. It is very minimal, but at the same time it is super functional. One thing that I noticed, there is an extra square here, so there are dates written on this side, and then there are extra squares here, which makes me believe that you can do much more than just write here. So you can track your moods, you can track something that you do. So I need to do a certain thing every day at work, I can mark that over here whether that was done. If there are exams, I can mark it in a different color. If it's an off day, I can mark it in a different color. So this is very useful, I must say. Then the month starts. You have January week 1. So the entire week 1, I think it's plain notes pages. Wow, this is good. So again, goals, things to do, habit tracker. So you have 6 habit trackers, which is great. Then you have accomplished, learning, and grateful for. Then this is your typical weekly spread. You have 2 notes pages. Again, this is the reason I told you that I bought this planner, that every week has its dedicated 2 notes pages. Then you have the week 3, and this is all dated, by the way. Then you have the week 4. Again, you have the week 5. Then you have week 6, which I really like. They're finishing January in January, even if 31st is only one thing or one date over here, which I like. Then you have February. Wow, this is really great. And all the months are, once all the weeks are over, we have the income and expenses. Wow, this is really good. So you have income, expenses, inward, outward, and balance. Then you have December balance, income, expense, savings, and forwarded to February. Oh, this is exactly things that I do on my Excel sheet. I didn't know that this planner has such a brilliant expense tracker. Wow, this is your entire, again, all your expense trackers in one grid. So from January till December, you have all your expense tracker in one grid. Wow, this is great. Contacts, I would not write contacts here. I would use this spread separately or differently. Password log, again, I would not put my passwords here, but this is, use it differently. Then you have birthdays and anniversary logs. Passion tracker, the books that you read, the series that you watch, anything that you can be put in here. And then you have a year in review. At the end, this says Neora wishes you a wonderful and blessed year ahead. Then you have a nice spacious pocket. This is actually very well built pocket. It is not just a simple cardboard paper. It is much thicker than that, so I loved it. And again, I have already mentioned the love of my 3 bookmarks. I think in the last Tall Elephant planner review, I also mentioned that how much I miss this bookmarks, and here they've given you sufficient bookmarks, which I really appreciate. So I can flip from one page to another very easily. Yeah, this is it, I guess. This is all about the planner. So I can't really get over the fact how beautiful this elastic closure is. I don't know if I can drool over it, but I absolutely love it. So what are my thoughts about this planner? I think this is a beautiful planner. Hands down, I think if you are looking to bullet journal or to even decorate a planner, and on the outside it should look super professional, I think this is a brilliant planner. The paper quality is really good. I have not touched the Alisa Souza planner yet, but this is 120 GSM and I can feel it. Do you want me to do a pen test? I think that should be a good thing for us to do a pen test. I'll be back with all my pens. So I'm back with a stack of pens. Let me choose a nice paper to do my pen test. I'm not going to, I think I'll do my pen test on the password log. I'll start with my trusty ink pen. I know for a fact that it won't bleed. Then we are going lighter with my Muji pen. Then we are back to my Luxors, which I love so much. And this is the V7. Then we have the highlighter. Then we have the permanent marker. Then you have the really chunky permanent marker. And at the end, we have the liquid chalkboard marker. Let's see if any of them has bled. Wow, this page is unbelievable. Can you see it? There's hardly any transfer through. I'm super impressed. And that is where 120 GSM paper really speaks out to you. Oh, I'm thoroughly impressed. Actually, I'm super excited to be using this particular planner, and I want to set it up as soon as possible. Hopefully my next videos would be where I will be setting up these various planners, or else let me also figure out how will I use this planner. So this planner I'm 100% sure that I'm going to use for my work planner, but I'm not sure about the tall elephant as well as the Alicia Souza planner. So please help me if you have either of these planners. I want to know how will you use it. Also, don't be pressured in buying into multiple planners. Obviously this is my job. I do a lot of planner related videos. Also, I have a full-time job. So for me, keeping my work, personal and professional life all together, I need multiple things to keep me accounted for. Last year also, I had 3 planners, out of which one planner I stopped using somewhere in March or April. But still I had 3 planners last year as well. So somewhere they will work, they will not. I will have again permutation combinations of how I will use them. This is also my hobby. Obviously I love stationery and that is where these planners come in. So don't be pressured. Also, if you love this planner as much as I did, and if you want to use this as your work planner or your daily planner, please use my code. It will give you a small discount on their website. So I think that is it from me for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.